So you might be in a situation where you want to go ahead and reset your Chrome settings back to factory data reset or like the factory reset options. Now there's a couple of ways to do this. The first way to do this is by going through and making your way over into your Google Chrome application settings. So go right into Google Chrome like this, and what you're going to want to do is you want to click on the three dots in the top right corner. So click right up here, and then you want to tap on the settings option, which is right here. And then you're going to see all this stuff come up. Now there should be an option somewhere here that says something like reset settings or some sort of settings panel like that. So you can see for me it doesn't really show up. Now when you come into this page, you want to click on your particular account that's in the top. So tap right into here, and then what you can do is you can scroll down and it says Chrome data in your account. If you tap on this, what you can do is you'll see a bunch of different things available in your Chrome data specifically for your account. So you can go through and you can go and see that there's this option right here that said this will delete your Chrome data that has been saved in your Google account. This might take some, this might delete some data from your devices. You can go through and click on delete data, and that will go through and delete all your data that's associated with your Google Chrome account inside of your Google Chrome. Now, if you do not have a Chrome account on your phone, the best way I can probably tell you to go and do this is to go through and just delete Google Chrome from your device. So come right into your phone. You can hold down the application, or you can come straight into your iPanel right up here, and you can uninstall this application or disable it, and then you can reinstall it, and that will go and delete everything off your Chrome account, your Chrome application if there's no account associated, and it will also delete everything off of it too. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.